Okay, you can see this is project 2.3.4. This is the practice machining project. In this activity, you're going to start by building this basic part that's called the Gigadrive defragulator, GFD for short. But you're going to start out by building this part in Inventor, and so you just build that from the dimension drawings. I've already got the part built, and then before you even run EdgeCam, of course it has to be licensed, and then in that ShopBot folder that I give you some EdgeCam files. There are directions for the directories for the config and the post processor. That's this Project Lead the Way PLTW file in the ProLite 1000. And then the ShopBot tool store also has to be installed, and that is different than what's installed on ShopBot. That's installing the tools within this working program, and that is under EdgeCam, under Tool Store Administrator. And I can't show you how to do that because I already have it installed on mine, and it's a little bit different on my laptop than it is on the schools at the computer. So I will teach some of you how to do that, and then you will help me help others. Okay, so that's all that has to be done first. And then you'll notice when we open up EdgeCam, it has a couple of different things that go on. First of all, under options, these menus can be rearranged or whatever, and you can mess it up. But under options, if you go to profiles, mill profile, and do Project Lead the Way config, your menus should now look like mine. Initially it wasn't, because I didn't have that set up. And then the other thing to recognize is there are two different work environments within EdgeCam. There is the design mode, and this is where these three tools here are the tools we primarily use here. Although you can do some other designing and building, but usually it's easier to build in Inventor than it is in the CAM software. So there's design mode, and then there's manufacture mode. Now when you go to manufacture mode, a couple things that you're going to need to do. Number one, first thing you want to do is select the ProLite 1000, and you're also going to have to select your CPL. Well, we don't have a part to do that yet, but that's one of the common mistakes that students will make, is they're looking for a particular tool and they're in the wrong work environment, design mode or manufacture mode.